Well, we are back from our road trip. Video on that coming later. It was epic, I think is the best way to put it. A lot of cool stuff happened. But anyway, Tesla decided to drop the price on the Model 3, the Model S, and the Model X recently, so we'll cover that a little bit. But did anybody notice Tesla enhanced interior styling? I'm willing to bet not. It's been flying under the radar for a few days now since they announced the price drop. This came up. So a little details on this. It is only on Model S and X. Interesting. It is only on performance cars right now. You cannot get it on the long range. And their exact wording right now is enhanced interior styling, which I find interesting. What does that mean? It's not listed under the long range cars, only on the performance. So I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas? What do you want to see? A couple ideas I had is maybe there's like a different dash layout. Maybe there's more carbon fiber or wood trim throughout the cabin. Maybe there's a passenger speedometer in front of them on the dash. Maybe there's a rear screen right here for passengers to be able to adjust their air conditioning and everything back there. Maybe new seat design. Maybe the Model 3 screen is coming to S and X. I don't know, there's so many ideas, but the fact that it says enhanced interior styling only on S and X, only on performance, which is normally what gets the newest stuff first, is extremely interesting. And no one at Tesla has gotten back to me to say what it could possibly be, or if Tesla has even told their employees what it could be. Nobody really knows. It's kind of in the dark. So I'm gonna tweet Elon. If you're watching this video, make sure you go like that, tweet, retweet it. Just get it out there. Let's see if maybe he'll answer it, send us some pictures, because the pictures online still have not changed between the long range and the performance. So kind of wit's end what it could be until somebody actually takes delivery. Should I get a Model X performance and just wing it and see what it is? I don't really want to do that because that's an expensive video. I guess it could just be one. So I'd rather wait and see what it is before I jump on in. But very interesting to see that because we've had so much speculation about this refresh coming and everything. It is a new quarter. Maybe there's something to spark some interest and get some more buyers. But speaking about sparking interest and getting some more buyers, Tesla did cut prices. And so everyone is kind of losing their mind. Automakers do this all the time. Any kind of piece of technology drops in price eventually. I actually view it as a good thing. While yes, I paid more for my cars, and I'll go over how much money I technically lost, if you want to say that, even though I enjoyed the car for that amount of time. A lot of like technology and everything does this, and I'm not really surprised. I'm actually really happy Tesla's done this because it means more people can get in a Tesla, which makes me happy because there's less gas cars on the road. Anyway, let's get into it. So the US federal tax credit did drop down to $1,875 starting July 1st through December 31st of 2019. In 2020, it goes away completely for Tesla at this point. So yeah, the first 6 months of 2019 were $3,750. Prior to that, it was the full $7,500. State credits are still in effect if you qualify for that in your state, so keep an eye out for those because that can really help. So I kind of want to get into what I paid for this car and everything. I paid $75,000 for this Model 3 Performance, and then a $1,200 dock and destination fee. And that was in December of 2018. Now, I can get the same car for $61,990 plus that $1,200 dock and destination fee. So that's a difference of $13,010. But you can't quite look at it that way because I did get a much higher tax credit. So factoring that tax credit in, which was a $5,625 difference, the real difference in price on my Model 3 right now is $7,385 and about 7 months of ownership. And so, while yes, I could be throwing a temper tantrum and getting really upset at Tesla for dropping their prices, I actually view it as the good thing. I want to see more people in Teslas. As the economies of scale kind of come in and as everything scales, they're able to drop their price. So I actually view it as a really good thing because more people can get in them. A lot of people are saying either A, they're complaining because they paid more, which I can kind of see if you took delivery like last week maybe. but I took delivery in December. I really have no place to complain at all. And other people are saying it means demand's down. Well, the Tesla just had their best quarter ever. So I kind of call BS on that. Everything is full steam ahead on Gigafactory 3 out in China. So I really just think Tesla is just gaining certain economies of scale and being able to drop their price, which I think is excellent. Really awesome to see that. More people can get into them. Super happy to see that. But I don't know, what do you guys feel about this whole enhanced interior styling thing? That really sparks my interest. And then, yeah, comment down below what you think might be new. I don't know, has anyone else heard anything? Everyone's been kind of quiet with me, but you never know. Hopefully we start seeing these cars being delivered soon. That would be pretty cool. And we'll see what kind of pops up. I have a really cool road trip video coming for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. A lot of interesting, crazy cool stuff happened on this trip, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, such as this one, definitely check them out, all linked down below. Using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off your first order. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go and click here to subscribe. Here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.